Next type of problems in unbalanced transportation problems. Here what is unbalanced means I will explain. So demand should be always equal to supply, explained in basic feasible solutions problems only. Always this demand should be equal to supply. In unbalanced, what they will make is they will not give demand should be equal to supply. In unbalanced transportation problem of optimality test is there, everything will be there. Only what they will give, check whether it is balanced or not, and then you can go for solving. In the problem they will be giving that solve the unbalanced transportation problem for optimality test they will give. Here what is there? 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8, it is equal to 30. 8 plus 12 plus 14 is equal to 34. So that 34 is not equal to 30. To make this equal to 34, what you have to do? Demand is not equal to supply is there. Supply is highest. For highest we have to balance. For 34 we have to balance. It is 30. To make it balance, one more column we have to add, that is called as dummy column with 0 elements. One more column we have to add and with 0 elements. Then for that, what is the difference? 34 minus 30 is the 4. 4 is the difference, that 4 is added. Now I will explain with that. See here. In this, O1, O2, O3 is there and it is equal to 34. W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, it is given in the problem. WD, that is W6 consider, WD I have added as dummy. Just for explanation I have written D. WD I have added as dummy and elements I have taken it as zeros, and the difference, that is 34 and 30 is the 4. That 4 I have added here. To make balance and supply, that is demand and supply should be equal to 34. To make it 34, I have written some theory part here. You just go through that. To make supply and demand equal to 30. Here there is a lack in demand, because of that I have added column. If there is a lack in supply, we have to add a row. That is the difference. To make it 34, from supply, from demand, by adding all these values, it should be equal to 34 only. So this is called as unbalanced type of problem. Now you can assign, start from basic feasible solution and allocate and then solve by optimality test. So second problem, it is also unbalanced. Just go through that and solve it by optimality. Next, maximization type of transportation. What is the difference between maximization? I will explain. That's all. Problem will be same as transportation Modi method. Here maximization means the elements given in the matrix. These are the elements given in the matrix. What you have to do? Select maximum. This supply, leave the supply and demand. Right. Leave the demand, leave the supply and check maximum element from this. Which is maximum? This is also unbalanced. We'll go for that later. Right. That is also unbalanced. From this you have to select a maximum element. 8 is the maximum. From this 8 we have to subtract all these. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 1, 8 minus of minus 2, 8 minus of minus 2, 8 minus of minus 4, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 8, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3. This is called as transferring maximization problem into minimization. In the problem what they will give? Solve the maximization transportation problem. Keep that in mind when you are reading normal, then okay. If it is maximization transportation problem, means you have to select maximum value from these elements and subtract all the elements from 8. This the 8 is maximum here. Now check for demand should be equal to supply. Demand is 310. So supply is 310, demand is equal to 350. Demand is equal to 350, supply is equal to 310. Now to make it equal, for supply we have to take difference is 40. For supply we need 40, that is nothing but row we know. Last unbalanced problem, there is a column because of demand is lack. Here supply is lack. When supply is lack, a row is added, that is dummy row is added. This is called the dummy row. For this dummy row 40 we have assigned. Right. 40 we have assigned. So after assigning, then go for maximum value 8 minus 0, 8, 8 minus 0, 8, 8 minus 0. That will be added for here also. So for this, just go for optimality test. Before that, we have to solve it for in basic feasible solution. Then after that, we should go for optimality test. Thank you.